Okay, I gotta get running to work here, but I did want to do a quick little update. So I'll post a video on my brooder build. Some of that's coming out later, but that's what I've been working on. Today is the first full day. I have the incubator running as a test. So the control unit's here. I have the hygrometer and temperature. This has been running a little lower than this, so I did add a third, so I can kind of give an average as well as move them around, so I can get hot spots or cold spots. Awesome, the light just clicked on. I'm going to buy a third one as well, standalone unit that I can put inside here to take a look at, just so I can really make sure I'm getting temperature right. So I put the egg turner in here, the little giant with the quail rails. I know that does put off some heat and change things a little bit, so that's in here running to make sure that's going well. I've added 2 of these little sandwich trays just with some water in them. Let's see if I can get a better look. That is for the humidity. And then water bottles as well that I'm trying to bring up to temp to help stabilize the heat. Now all the sensors are right there right now near each other because I want to see how different they are from each other tonight. I'll let it run 8 hours, 9 hours, and then check it. So that is going on in there. The humidity right now looks like it's running at about 60%, so I do need to add a small ventilation hole, I think, into the side. That should change that a little bit. I might remove one of the trays. I was concerned about being able to get it up to humidity levels here in New Mexico because it's so dry, as well as the 70% for lockdown. So I did get a reptile humidifier little atom water thing unit, so I'll show you when that comes in if I need to use that. But right now I think really what I need to be doing is just running it constantly and making sure everything is right. So I have gotten confirmation that I don't know if you guys have listened, but I actually won 2 contests for quail eggs, so I have a lot of them coming in that I got to do something. I won one from Southwest, or a giveaway, I guess, from Southwest Game Birds, so I have those eggs coming in. I got a confirmation that they are on their way, so I need to be ready here. And then I also won eggs from My Shire Farms that I'm extremely excited about. They should be shipping soon, I believe. I haven't got any confirmation or anything. So we'll just be ready for that. Now I have this egg turner and this incubator and the made in China one. I don't know if these eggs are all going to come at the same time, in which case I can get them all in here, or at separate times, and then I'll need to try and figure something out. So I wasn't expecting to win any giveaway, let alone two big ones, and they were one about almost a month apart from each other, so it looks like they're all coming in together probably, though. Anyways, we'll have more of that in more videos. Just a quick upgrade. Run your incubator lots of times first, especially if you've built it, and make sure it is working properly.